Hello everyone, my name is Dan and I decided to record a super cool video for you all today because in this one I will show you exactly how some members of my SMC Trading Group managed to secure a total of $14,000 in profits on their live funded accounts in only 1 hour with the help of Smart Money Concepts. So if that sounds interesting, let's get right into it. Alright, so this will be more of a trade breakdown type of video because I will go over the trades I sent on that specific day in my SMC group that these people took on their live funded accounts. And because of these trades, they managed to secure a total of $14,000 in profits. Okay, so let's jump right into it. I will go over 4 trades. Okay, and all of these trades were sent in the exact same day on the 5th in December, and all of them played out within 1 hour. Okay, that's how much it took for all these 4 trades to play out and smash all the targets. So the first trade I will start with is on USDCHF, and I will use the bar replay for each example to show you in real time what my thought process was behind all of these setups. Okay, so right here was exactly when I opened the USDCHF chart on the 5th of December at around 2:30 p.m. my time. That's exactly when I start scouting for setups. The first thing I saw this impulsive move here. Okay, I saw this impulsive leg right here that broke structure and took price higher. So overall, I was a bit intraday bullish. And then immediately after that, I saw that we had a very nice shift in momentum here. We had a liquidity sweep right below this low. Very beautiful, very textbook by the wicks, as we can see, followed by a aggressive break of structure to the upside. Okay, and this is always what I am looking for. A liquidity sweep followed by a aggressive break of structure to the up or to the downside. Why do I call it aggressive break of structure? Because if we look closely, we left imbalance behind. We left this unmitigated demand level. Okay, and that confirms that this is a valid setup, because if I don't see a unmitigated demand or supply level, I'm not taking the setup, no matter how good the liquidity sweep might look like and the break of structure. For me, a break of structure is valid if I see imbalance. Okay, so I saw this setup, and the next step was for me to place the buy limit right on it. Okay, so I placed the buy limit right here. This was the entry. Okay, the stop loss was right below the demand level around here. And then the last take profit was at 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. And of course, I sent this setup in my SMC group, and I will also attach a picture on the screen right now to show you exactly when this setup was sent in the SMC group. And of course, feel free to join it. If you don't want to miss out on trades like this, feel free to join it. It is the first link down below in the video description. Okay, so now the setup was sent. Let's play the price and see how this setup played out. Okay, so let's use the bar replay. Okay, we have a corrective pullback, which is exactly what I want to see. I discussed about momentum in my previous videos, and this is exactly what I want to see. After I see the aggressive break of structure, I want to see a corrective pullback towards my my buy or sell limit. Okay, so right here we triggered, and boom, immediately after that we have a sniper reaction. TP1 was smashed close to TP2, and then boom, TP3 was smashed right there as well. Okay, so we can see very beautifully in around 45 minutes this trade played out and smashed all the targets. 45 minutes to 60 minutes. Okay, we had a very beautiful sniper reaction here, and the rest was history. Literally next to no drawdown. As we can see, we barely had some drawdown here, and then the trade took off and smashed all the targets. Okay, so this was the first trade that played out in the VIP in the SMC group on that specific day. And now I will go over the second trade, which is going to be on US 30. Alright, so now I will discuss about the trade that I sent on US 30. There were actually 2 trades, one buy limit and one sell limit on US 30 in the same exact day. But I will start off with the buy limit because that was the first one I saw and I sent in the group. So it was right here when I opened the US30 chart again, same exact time, around 2:30 p.m. my time. And I saw from the previous day that we had a shift in momentum around this area right here. Okay, I considered this to be a fake out, a liquidity sweep to the downside because we had these two equal lows right here. And I said to myself that, okay, we had a fake out to the downside followed by this impulsive move that broke structure to the upside right here. Okay, and then I looked for a unmitigated demand level and I found it right here. Okay, this was the unmitigated demand level. All right, I hope it makes sense. And now, because of it, I then decided to place a buy limit. I decided to place a buy limit right on this zone here. The stop loss was right here, and then TP1 was around here, and the last take profit was around here. Okay, TP1 was around here if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, around that. And I send it in my group. I send it in the SMC group. I will also attach a picture on the screen right now to see exactly when I sent this setup. And then let's play the price. And let's see how I identified the second setup, which was a sell limit. Okay, so right here, check this out. Okay, so we triggered this buy limit right here. Okay, we got triggered in this buy limit, and immediately after we got triggered, I identified another potential setup, which was a sell limit. So right here, if we look very closely, we have a very nice shift in momentum. We have a liquidity sweep here by the wicks, okay, above this high, followed by this impulsive break of structure to the downside. Okay, we can see that some bearish momentum kicked in the markets right here and broke this low here and tapped us in the buy limit. Okay, so after that, the last step was for me to identify a unmitigated supply level, which was this one right here. So it was a perfect looking setup. And because of that, what I did is I sent out a sell limit trade as well. Okay, I sent out a sell limit right here. This was the entry. The stop loss was right above the supply. And then the last take profit was at 1 to 3 as always. Okay, so now most people, what they did here is they aimed for the TP1 on the buy limit entry. Okay, and then on the sell limit, most of them I think aimed either for TP2 or TP3. And of course, I will also attach a picture on the screen right now to see exactly when this sell limit was sent in the SMC group. And now we can play the price to see what happens next. Okay, so as we can see, the buy limit got triggered, the sell limit was sent as well. All right, so let's play the price. Boom, check this out. TP1 was smashed right here, and the sell limit was triggered as well. Okay, so we triggered the sell limit as well. And now we can delete the buy limit because, like I said, most of the people aimed for that TP1. Okay, and now they went out out of the buy limit trade. And now we can see that the sell limit is running in some drawdown. Okay, but check what happens with the next candle. The next candle, the next M15 candle, smashed all the profits. Okay, the next M15 candle smashed all the take profits. Okay, and of course I forgot to attach the pictures on the screen when I updated the trades. So I will now attach the picture on the screen when I updated the USD-CHF trade. Okay, because we discussed about it as well. Now I will attach a picture on the screen when I updated the US30 buy limit trade. Okay, and now I will attach a picture on the screen to show you all exactly when I updated that this beautiful US30 sell limit smashed all the targets. Okay, and as we can see, it triggered, and with the next M15 candle, it smashed all the targets. Okay, so yeah, this was the third trade of that specific day. And now I will go over the final trade, which is a gold setup. All right, so now I will go over the gold setup that was sent in the VIP in the SMC group, which will be the final setup we will discuss about. Okay, so this is exactly when I opened the gold chart and I identified a sell limit opportunity. So right here, immediately after I opened the chart, I saw that the intraday momentum was bearish because we can see that we had an impulsive break there. Then we continued, that moved further towards the downside right there, and then also, oh sorry, and then also right here. Okay, so we can see that overall the intraday momentum was to the downside. So because of that, I was tempted to look for a sell limit opportunity. And what I saw here was a shift in momentum. This ain't really as textbook as the previous setups, but I consider this to be a liquidity sweep. Okay, a fake out towards the upside above this high right here, and then we can see that we had a aggressive displacement to the downside. Okay, so liquidity sweep followed by a aggressive break of structure. After that, I was looking for a unmitigated supply level. I was looking for the point of origin, and I took this as my point of origin, as my unmitigated supply level. We can see that it had imbalance on it. It was unmitigated. And if we look closely, this is exactly where the bearish momentum kicked in the markets and broke this low right here successfully. Okay. So after I identified it, the next thing I did is I placed the sell limit on it. The entry was around here. Then the stop loss was right above the supply, which was around here, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, let's quickly adjust the rectangle. And then the last take profit was at 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. Okay, so at 3R. Okay, and after that, I just sent it in the SMC group. And I will also attach a picture on the screen right now to see exactly when this trade was sent in the SMC group. And now we can play the price and see what happened. Okay, so now the trade was sent. I hope y'all understood exactly why I've sent it. If not, make sure to let me know in the comment section, and make sure you are subscribed to not miss out on future uploads like this. Okay, and feel free to let me know if you like videos like this where I go over some trades, where I do trade breakdowns and use the bar replay to explain you all my thought process behind them. Please let me know down below if you enjoy these type of videos, because I will do more. Okay, so now the order was placed. Let's play the price and see what happened. Okay, we're playing the price, approaching, and boom, we triggered right there, and we can see that we have a very nice initial sniper reaction. Okay, we faced some drawdown right there, currently playing around break even. Okay, facing some drawdown once again, but then finally the bears kicked in the market and took the price lower, and as we can see here, we smashed the last take profit here for another nice 3R win. Okay, and of course I will attach a picture on the screen right now to show you exactly when I updated that this trade smashed all the targets in the SMC group. And yeah, this was the final trade I sent in that day, and that played out. It was these four trades: the USD buy limit, the US30 buy limit, the US30 sell limit, and then this gold sell limit that these members took on their live funded accounts. And in total, they managed to secure around $14,000 in profits in basically 1 hour, because all these trades played between around, I would say, 4 p.m. my time or 3:30 p.m. my time till like 5 p.m. Okay, so within 1 hour, 1 hour and a half, all these trades played out, and in total, $14,000 were secured in profits. And it was a pretty crazy day. I think it was a day where we caught around 10R in one single day. So because we had like three take profit 3 trades, so that's 3 times 3, which is 9R, and then we also had a TP1 trade. So yeah, around 10R in one single day, in basically one single hour from these trades. Okay, and yeah, this was my thought process behind them. I hope y'all found this video valuable. If you did, feel free to share and like it. And like I said, make sure you are subscribed. You are subscribed to not miss out on any future content. And of course, as always, if there's any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section. I'll make sure to check them out. Until next time, a very cool ICT strategy will pop on the screen right now. It is the Silver Bullet ICT strategy. You should go ahead and check it out if you haven't done so already. And lastly, I want to wish you all the best and take care.